Welcome back to Clark's Star Culinary. Today we're making liver and onions with gravy. For starters, we're going to get a large onion and slice it thin. I have a little over a pound of liver, and I like to cut it up in small pieces. You can leave it whole if you prefer. For seasoning, we'll use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Just be sure to season both sides. Now let's prepare to fry the liver. In a sealable container, we're going to put 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, some garlic powder, and this is very optional. I just like spicy food and you can tell, so I'm going to just add some cayenne pepper. And yes, I'm heavy-handed. I really like spicy food, so it's really good though, so you can try it. Again, cayenne pepper, everyone, it's optional. Make sure to mix the seasoning in the flour really well. We need to get the liver coated with the flour, so to prevent the pieces of liver from sticking together, you'll want to place as many pieces as you can get in there flat without touching each other, and then put the lid on your container really tight and shake it up. All right, open up the container. Move the pieces that are covered in flour over to one corner and just repeat the process until all the liver has been coated. And once you're done, get a strainer, put all the pieces in and shake them around to remove the excess flour. And just like that, we're ready to fry. My skillet is 1/4 full with oil. I've got the heat set to a medium-high just for starters. I'm gonna fry each piece for about 1.5 minutes on each side. It will not be done when we pull it out. This is part of the magic of this recipe, because you just need to let it finish cooking in the gravy, which we're gonna get to that part in a little bit. Just make sure no one comes up from behind you trying to sneak a piece of liver because it's raw inside. So we just repeat the process, and on the last batch, you'll want to reduce the heat to low to avoid burning. Okay, we're going to continue using the same pan to fry our onions. Just need to pour off most of the oil, leaving about 1 tablespoon, and also leave the fond that's in the bottom of the pan. That's going to help flavor everything. It's going to be delicious. Once the onions are caramelized, we're going to add a mixture of 10 ounces of water mixed with a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour for the gravy. And depending on how you like your gravy, you'll add a little more water or flour if you want it thinner or thicker. I know I'm about to catch a lot of people off guard with this next ingredient, anchovy sauce. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. It gives gravy the best flavor. It does not taste fishy at all. If you do not have anchovy sauce, just use salt to suit your taste. And we're going to add some black pepper and garlic powder. Be sure to taste the gravy to make sure that it has the flavor that you want it to have. Now add the liver. Turn the heat down to a slow simmer and let it cook for 45 minutes. Now, the liver is going to slowly cook down into this gravy, and it's going to become more tender as it infuses the gravy with more flavor. We've waited long enough. Let's make a plate. I have some rice and bok choy. Usually I would have green peas or green beans with this, but the bok choy had to be cooked tonight, so let's just move forward. All right, let's put some gravy on, a few pieces of liver. You could also use mashed potatoes instead of rice if that's what you prefer. So that's it, fam. We have made liver and onions together. Thank you so much for watching Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.